Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be ultra fast in real time. It's probably about the same as your normal videos, but this doesn't have, where I can see anyway, I don't see any maker's marks or anything on this. It's a Mattock, M-A-T-T-O-C-K, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm going to keep this slightly different, so it's not square at the front there. I'm going to keep that. I'm just going to stick this in a vat of acid, muriatic acid, because I want to be quick. I'm going to give it a quick clean up. I'm probably not going to do a polish on it, but we're going to make a handle. And it has to be fast because I'm going to use this with a pick that I just made, and it's going to be going up to Colorado with us. So let's get to it. Now just remember, a little bit of outdoor patina helps it cut better. Alright, done this end. It's pretty close. You can't really see a whole lot. Now we've got to do the other side. This is all rough still. And that's a total of about 5-10 minutes. Let's dip this in this acid. I have to do this outside because of all the fumes. Comes off. We'll come back to that in a second and see how many bubbles are coming off it. Alright, can you see all the scars on the top there? Scars of nastiness. This is, I mean, it's 30 minutes, if that. I literally had time to take those shavings off the handle and come out here, back out here. This is how much is dissolved already, the rust. That's just a neat solution of hydrochloric acid. As you see, it's pretty aggressive, but when you don't need to save the tool, as long as you watch it, it's perfectly fine. Okay, just in case you didn't get a good look outside, This is what it looks like after half an hour. Bit of a patch on there. I'm mainly recording this. I want you to see. This is what happens in a high humidity area, and you'll see it flash rusts really fast because it's constant moisture in the air. But it's time for me to go to bed, and I'll be back out here again tomorrow. Time to go inside, Chippy? Is it time to go inside? I think it is. Let's go inside. Alright, it's the next day. And it's not as bad as normal. Normally I leave these and they'll be as rusty as hell the next day. But that isn't too bad. That's just lead from when I've been test fitting on the handle. That's what that silver is. And like I said, this is a quick job, so I'm just going to take an edge on here. Just smooth it up, take all this corrosion off, and finish up the handle. As you can see, that hand sander makes light work of this too. It doesn't take very long. I'm going to go over this and I'll be back in a second. Right, 600 grit is the next one. As you can see, I got a pretty good finish on that. We're going to try and go for a mirror polish in this section on both sides, or close to it, and the rest of it we'll just give it light going over. Then we're going to put some, well, I'll watch the end of the video and you'll see what I'm going to do. Whenever you apply that birch wood casey, it obviously changes the colour of the mill, but it immediately will start to rust, so you have to put oil on there. I like to use used transmission fluid. Seems to give a good finish to it to me. Let's get the outside done. Alright, that's sat overnight. Got quite a nice finish to it. You can't really see just how good it is because of the light, but it's nice and dark. And going to give it a bit of a mirror polish on these smooth bits. Alright, final fit. I know this is not going to be the best of fits, but like I said, I'm on a time constraint. Actually, that's not bad. Just get that black mark off the top. Clean her up a little bit and put some oil on her. Okay, so I really like this teak oil. It seems to go in the pores of the wood really good. And leaves a nice finish. And hopefully this video you're going to be able to see me or one of my member of my family using this to actually look for gems. So I know for sure that this handle is going to get lots of moisture when we do the sluice boxes. And what I'll do is I'll give this a couple of coats, 2 or 3 coats over the next few days before we go. Make sure it's nice and soaked in. Mustn't forget the end. Mustn't forget this other end either. Alright, I'll do my outro now, although you're going to see pictures of me using this thing, but tell me what you think. Do you like the handle, the finish, the nice mirror which doesn't detract from how the tool gets to be used? Because like I said, I'm going to use this one. So like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Have a good one, guys. Speak to you later.
Welcome to Crater of Diamond State Park. We hope everyone has a safe and enjoyable experience. Remember to social distance and stay at least 12 feet from other groups while in the Diamond Search area. At this time, guests ages 10 and older must wear a mask or a face covering in all park facilities.